This assessment asks us to look at the magnitude of delta G and use those values to predict which of the three reactions will have the highest ratio of favored to unfavored. Note that in A up here, our delta G is negative 1.8. That tells us that the product is more stable than the reactant by negative 1.8 kilocalories. So we would expect to have more of this than we have of this. Over here in B, the delta G is equal to 0, meaning both of them are equally stable. Neither one is favored. That's going to be the kind of the definition of a case where we have KEQ equal to 1, which tells us that the ratio of these two compounds is 1 to 1. Down here in this reaction of A going to B, it's uphill towards B, meaning A is more stable by a total of plus 8 kilocalories per mole. Since A is more stable by a larger number, by a larger delta G, compared to the answer in A up here, that tells us that the ratio of favored to unfavored is going to be largest for reaction C. So the answer to this question is this. Just to make sure we understand why that is. The difference in delta G will tell you which side is favored. The magnitude of that difference will tell you how much more favored it is. And the more favored one side of the equilibrium is, the greater the ratio of the favored to the unfavored.